Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and today I have a DIY for you, so stay tuned. I have not yet started on any of my Christmas decor. The first thing I would like to do is to do my front porch, but it's quite messy, and I need to give it a little cleanup before I do that and take down all of the fall stuff. But I'm not going to be doing the porch in this video. That will be for another day. In this video, I will be doing a DIY Christmas challenge. This is a collab put together by Christina at the DIY Mommy. She has an awesome channel. Y'all need to go watch her. She does a lot of DIYs, obviously, really simple DIYs and cheap DIYs, and also she does some more complicated ones. You just need to go check her out for a bunch of ideas for your Christmas decor this year. So when you're done watching my video, go over to Christina's channel and watch her video too, and don't forget to watch the playlist. Both links will be down below in the description. So if you're coming on over from the DIY Mommy's channel, welcome. I'm Michelle, and this is My Everyday Wife Life. And like I said, I won't be doing the front porch today, but on December 1st, I am doing a collab. It is a Clean and Decorate with Me front porch decor collab. You are welcome to join in, and I would love to have you on the 1st. But today I am going to make something for the front porch, but you'll have to stay tuned for the 1st to see the rest of the porch decor. I'm going to make a DIY topiary for the front porch. I'm going to use this tomato cage. I've already made one you've seen over here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the other one. I live in Florida, so I'm going to take advantage of the greenery. It's still very warm here and very green here, and I'm going to cut some branches down from my yard. Alright, so I'm going to use this tomato cage that I already had in the garage, and some twine, and some scissors, and some clippers to cut the branches from. If you're new to my channel, again, my name is Michelle. I would love to have you subscribe so you don't miss another video. I will be doing lots of decor videos this month. So we have lots of these pepper trees in our yard. A lot. They are kind of overtaking my yard right now. So they need to be trimmed back anyway. So they have these little red berries that come out at this time of the year. So I'm going to cut some of the branches down and use them for the topiary. Now, if you live in Florida and you want to use these, just be careful because they can be a tad poisonous for pets and children. So I'm going to use the clippers and cut down a few branches and then use it for the topiary. So I'm just cutting some of the branches and putting along the wires vertically and just layering and tying them off with the jute twine and, just working it all in there and just playing around with it to see how it looks best. Once you get a few branches in there and tie them off onto the tomato cage wire, you can begin to just stuff the rest of them in there without having to tie them off with the jute twine. This is trial and error for me. I've never done anything like this. This is a more complicated, it takes longer, put it that way. I usually do a DIY that takes like 5 minutes. That's where I'm at. But I had bought this planter that I'm going to use to set the topiaries in from Home Depot. I want to say that took like 45 minutes to an hour to put that together. I just kept working it and adding more branches where there were some bare spots. The one on the right is a little more full than the one on the left, but that's okay. And I just added this burlap ribbon to the top. I don't know if it's going to stay there. You have to watch my porch decor on the 1st to see whether I put something different there, but it needs a little something. So I bought these fairy lights from Amazon. They were 12 fairy lights for only $13. I think that was a great bargain. They're just little mini fairy lights. They are not, they are weatherproof. The lights are, but the battery pack is not. So these are going to be under the porch, so I think they will be okay. So I've just added the lights here, and I added 2 strands of lights to each topiary. I think that will be enough. I might need to add a third. We'll see. So I'm a little undecided about the burlap bows on the top, and I can't tie a bow. I guess I need to watch the DIY Mommy's channel. I'm sure she has a video on that. Make sure you check her channel out and subscribe and watch the playlist. Apparently the cats like the topiaries too, because it gives them some more hiding places to jump out at each other. This is what the fairy lights on the topiaries are looking like at night. I might need a strand more. I think that will make it look much better. So make sure you check out the playlist, and make sure you check out Christina's channel. See her face right there? Click on it. We'll take you right to her channel, and the playlist is right there, so you can click on that too. Until next time, enjoy your day.